Air handler issues can disrupt airflow and affect the overall performance of your HVAC system. Here are some common air handler problems that can cause airflow issues. Clogged air filters. Dirty or clogged air filters are one of the most common causes of airflow problems. When the filter is clogged, it restricts the airflow through the air handler, which can make it harder for the system to heat or cool your home effectively. Damaged fan blades. The fan blades in the air handler play a crucial role in circulating air throughout your home. If the fan blades are damaged, bent, or broken, they can create uneven airflow and make it difficult for the system to deliver conditioned air to all parts of your home. Leaking condensate pan. The condensate pan is located at the bottom of the air handler and collects condensation that forms during the cooling cycle. If the pan is leaking, the water can drip onto the floor or cause electrical problems. It can also damage the coils and reduce airflow. Blower motor problems. The blower motor is responsible for running the fan in the air handler. If the motor is faulty or has worn out, it can cause the fan to operate slowly or erratically, leading to reduced airflow and inefficient heating or cooling. Dirty evaporator coils. The evaporator coils are responsible for transferring heat from the air to the refrigerant in the cooling cycle. If the coils are dirty, they can reduce the efficiency of the system and make it harder to cool your home. Dirt and debris in ductwork. Ductwork carries conditioned air from the air handler to the various rooms in your home. If the ductwork is dirty or clogged with debris, it can restrict airflow and reduce the effectiveness of your HVAC system. Symptoms of air handler issues. Inconsistent or poor airflow throughout your home. Reduced heating or cooling efficiency. Loud noises coming from the air handler. Water leaks around the air handler. Unpleasant odors coming from the air vents. Increased energy bills. If you notice any of these symptoms, it is important to have your air handler serviced by a qualified HVAC technician as soon as possible. Early detection and repair can help prevent more serious problems and ensure that your HVAC system is operating at its best. Check out description for much more.